Hey there, my name's Dr. David Harrison, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what I do for a living and how I got there. I make educational videos, training videos, public service announcements, and mini documentaries. I work for the University of Nevada, Reno, and I make all kinds of videos, whatever they need. Training videos for how to properly use pesticides, horticulture, which is plants, trees, and on agriculture. I get to visit some very interesting farms all across northern Nevada and even down into southern Nevada in Clark County. I also make videos for other people on the side, like the State Historic Preservation Office, which is part of the state of Nevada. They're the ones that are in charge of the historic markers. If you've ever driven down the road and you see these big blue historic markers along the side of the road with a little bit of history, hopefully your folks would stop and read them, that's the agency that's in charge of them. I go around, I take pictures of those. I also make videos on that history of that particular place. The main thing that I do, it's called corporate video. So we need to teach A, B, and C, so we use video to do that. So we have people who are interviewed, like this, talking head on camera. We'll show something, like show a process of something happening. We might use PowerPoint and text to describe the steps so that the person watching the video will know how to do it themselves. I am not stuck in an office in the same room every day, every week, month in and month out. I do a lot of my work from home. In fact, this is my garage, this is my office. But I get out in all the different counties around Nevada, and I really don't know from month to month where I'm going to be or who I'm going to be with. A long time ago, I went to the University of Nevada, Reno. So this is my bachelor's degree in international affairs, which essentially is politics at the international level. I ended up with a master's of theology from Holy Apostles College and Seminary, and they're based in Cromwell, Connecticut. I took my courses online, and I found that I loved learning online, and I found that I wanted to be part of creating online courses. So I actually worked for Holy Apostles for a couple of years here at home, and I helped their professors create online classes. And that was called instructional design. So a couple of years later, this is really big, it's going to hide my face. I went to Old Dominion University, which is this place over here. And they're based in Virginia. It's a state school, a University of Virginia school. And I worked on a degree in, it probably says down here, I think somewhere on here, it just says Doctor of Philosophy. I think it says somewhere in here about what the degree is, which is instructional design. And it looks at educational psychology, which is how people think, how they learn up here. It takes that knowledge along with technology, like this stuff, combines them together to say this is how we create instruction that is effective and efficient. So I got into video that way. How many people get to say that they play with puppets and dolls for a living and really enjoy it? It's great. I never thought I would end up using toys as part of my job along with cinema cameras. But that's what I do. But as far as equipment is concerned, if you ever want to get started doing video work, you don't have to go for this. You can go with your smartphone, you can go with a small camera and just start the video. But you can't just start the video. That would be like a vlog where people just kind of talk like this. There's a lot of planning involved. There's pre-production of what's the story, what's the information, what's the flow, where is it going to be, what kind of equipment do you need, who do you need on the team, etc. Then there's the actual production side, which is filming out wherever you're going to be, whether it's at home and you're working on the table with stop motion, or you're out on a lake miles from civilization. And then there's post-production, which is the editing, the sound, the special effects, and putting that all together. So those are the three different parts. You could start with your own friends, but come up with an idea and a purpose for filming, and you can create that. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this series that the school is putting together about some of the different positions, jobs that we have, and how we got there.